What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of Realme Note 50 smartphone by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting based on the hardware specs of this device. We will also monitor the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. So here we go. So for this testing purpose we have set the screen refresh rate to auto to get the 90Hz to the compatible games. The battery percentage is 79, and these are the games we got today here on our Realme Note 50. So first of all, let's start with Injustice 2. So the Realme Note 50 does not come with any kind of game widget to show the FPS, so we will have to rely on our eyes that how much FPS we are getting. Graphics quality is looking good enough, it's not super sharp and some lagging is happening. So I think we are getting 34, 40 FPS max. In the beginning it was lagging a bit, but now it's looking smooth enough. There is no frame drop, etc. The graphics quality is good enough to enjoy the game, and as I said, we are getting around like 30 to 40 FPS, I guess. So once again it lagged a bit. So as you can see, the graphics quality was good enough, and sometimes we were facing lagging. Just twice or thrice it happened, but when it happened it was noticeable for sure. So let's close Injustice 2 and now let's play Call of Duty Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile, you can see by default low graphics with medium frame rate is selected. I can select medium graphics with medium frame rate with high frame rate as well. So this is the maximum possible combo for the graphics setting, and this is what I'm going to use to play Call of Duty Mobile. So as you can see, we are getting good amount of details, not too much. For example, if you have a look on this container here, you can see a bit blurriness and pixelation. On the ground it's looking good, the shadowing effect, the lighting and everything. So let's play the game and let's see how smooth it's going to be.
Tied for the lead. Enemy contact. Enemy in sight. Tango down. Tango down. Enemy contact. Targets in sight. Enemy down.
So there is no frame drop or lagging, as you can see.
Enemy contact. Enemy in sight. Ready to deploy. Contact with enemy.
So everything is nice and smooth, as you can see. No frame drop or lagging is happening.
Enemy contact! Enemy down! Sentry target's in sight! Tango down! Stealth chopper orders. Sentry gun deployed. Tango down! Enemy in sight! Target down! Swarm ready. Swarm activated. Target down! Friendly stealth chopper inbound. Warning, friendly nuke has been launched. Repeat, friendly target down! Launched. Enemy contact!
So everything was nice and smooth while playing Call of Duty Mobile on Realme Note 50. There was no frame drop, no lagging. The frame rate we were getting, I think, around 45, not more than that, maybe 60. But of course, the higher possible graphics setting is not available. 120 FPS or 90 FPS mode is not available. But still, considering the price segment and hardware of the device, the performance was quite nice. So let's close Call of Duty Mobile. Now let's play Asphalt 9. So here in the graphics setting of Asphalt 9, you can see we have selected the high graphics quality, and surprisingly the 60 FPS mode is available as well. So let's play the game and let's see how smooth the gameplay is going to be and whether we are going to get 60 FPS while playing Asphalt 9 on Realme Note 50 or not. So the graphics quality is looking pretty nice, especially if you have a look on the ground. You can see how much detail we are getting. And the gameplay is also smooth enough. So as you can see, everything was nice and smooth while playing Asphalt 9 on Realme Note 50. So let's close Asphalt 9 now and let's play the last game for today, and that's PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of PUBG Mobile, you can see by default balanced is selected for graphics and medium for the frame rate. I can select high with balanced, HD graphics with high frame rate. HDR onwards is not available. So this is the maximum possible graphics combo. If I go to smooth, then still the frame rate is high. So I will play the game with HD graphics on high frame rate and let's see how smooth the gameplay is going to be. So here you can see that how much detail we are getting. It's good enough, not that great, but the 3D graphics rendering, the reflection of the light from the costume of the character, the camera angles changing are smoothly. I think we are getting around 40 FPS. As you can see here, it's pretty smooth. So once again, you can see how much detail we are getting. It's not too much, but good enough to enjoy the game, especially considering the price segment of the device. The performance of Realme Note 50 is looking pretty solid so far. So as you can see, there is no frame drop or lagging is happening. The gameplay is mostly smooth. We are getting 35 to 40 FPS, I guess. And the gameplay is nice enough with good graphics to enjoy it fully. So I'm just going to leave it here. Let's have a look on the battery status. So after playing all of these games a bit more than 40 minutes, the battery percentage moved from 79 to 72. So this is quite impressive. The battery performance seems pretty solid and the device is not even slightly warm, just a bit mild warm sensation here, but it's because of the holding the device continuously for like 40-45 minutes. It's not because of the CPU getting hot or GPU getting hot. It's totally at the normal temperature at which we have started playing all of these games, and as you can see, so far the gaming performance was quite impressive in all of these high-end games, playing them on the highest possible graphic settings based on the hardware we got here. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.